Hello students, it's Mrs. Evans here, and today I'm going to demonstrate for all of you how to use the great web app of factmonster.com to conduct research for your chosen country. By now, each of you know if you will be researching Denmark, New Zealand, Thailand, Germany, China, Russia, or India for our big assignment, the $5 million question. To help you decide if you would hypothetically consider moving to one of these countries in exchange for $5 million, there are several websites that you will be using to find critical information to guide your decision throughout this project. For today's portion of research, you will use FactMonster to research the population, government, GDP or gross domestic product, growth rate, and unemployment rate of your chosen country. You will use FactMonster to find these key characteristics and then to compare the country you are researching with the United States' characteristics. You will be using the information you find to complete the country comparison worksheet that you have already started. That includes the characteristics you previously learned about the United States. It probably looks a lot like this. The big difference is that in this text box, you'll be writing in your country. I'm using Japan for the sake of the demonstration today. Japan is another top world economy, and I'm going to use it to show you how to navigate the website to find the information you need. So let's get started. Open your browser and go ahead and put in factmonster.com. I have one already created. Once you're there, you're going to go to the World tab and choose countries from the selections in the drop-down column. Once you are on the countries page, all countries are listed in alphabetical order. So I'm going to head to the J section to find Japan and click on it. First, I am going to find out how many people live in Japan, or their population. So I'm going to scroll down and carefully look until I find it. Oh, it's right here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it right into my worksheet. In the column, population. Great. The next thing we'll be looking at is government. Let's find out what kind of government Japan has. So we're going to scroll down, keep looking. It's not here or here. Government. Bingo. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this also right into my worksheet. They have a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary government. I'll be doing more research later to figure out exactly what this means. Okay, so now back to factmonster.com to find out the GDP, or the gross domestic product, the output of Japan. So GDP, along with the growth rate and the unemployment rate, are all going to be listed on FactMonster in the economic summary of each country. So for Japan, they have a GDP of $4.729 trillion, which I will carry over to my worksheet. Next, I'll be doing the growth rate. So back I go to FactMonster. Collecting data is fun, and it's going to give you lots of research for your final presentation to make your final decision. Finally, we're going to look at the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is 4.1% in Japan. All right, and there it is. So that's it. This is a great website to find these characteristics. Once you have completed the column on the right about your country on the worksheet, I want you to take a minute to look at the two columns. How is the information for each country different? How are they similar? Do the facts you just learned guide you at all to know if you would want to live in the country yet? If not, don't worry. There is still a lot of research to be done. Tomorrow, we will be using another website to dive into the culture of the country you are researching. So, I will see you in class tomorrow, and I can't wait to hear about what you think of your country so far. Bye!